Welcome to NEXT Camera Sensor System Installation Guide. With NEXT, we are introducing to you the easiest camera you will ever install. In your package, you'll find the base, the network hub, the solo fixture, the camera sensor, a mounting screw kit, an IP67 RJ45 connector shell, T8 security Torx wrench, and an optional Vicon Edge recording card. So let's get started. Before mounting the base, first determine the center line, which is the home position of the camera lens. For ceiling mounts, the C on the base represents the front of the camera. For wall mounts, the C should face downward. Once installed, the C will align with the Vicon logo on the solo fixture and the lens home position. Next, align the base to mark the 4 mounting screw locations, ensuring the C aligns with the desired center line. Drill holes, insert the plastic anchors, and secure the base using the provided screws. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the RJ45 port on the network hub. Connect the alarm I/O as needed. For outdoor installations, use the IP67 connector shell to protect the connection from environmental factors. Then align the single dot indicator on the network hub with the dot on the base and snap it into place. Now align the 2 lock screws on the solo fixture with the double dot indicators on the network hub. Twist the fixture clockwise to lock it. Before installing the camera sensor, insert the Vicon Edge recording card in the sensor if you are using a Navio, Vicon's cloud-based VMS system. Finally, align the double dot indicators on the camera sensor with the 2 lock screws on the solo fixture. Twist clockwise to lock it securely. As soon as the sensor is installed, the LED will flash yellow for about 15 seconds, indicating that power has been detected and the device is starting up. Next, the LED will flash yellow and red to confirm that the network hub is communicating with the sensor. After about 30 seconds, the LED will turn solid white for approximately 3 seconds while power is being tested. After successful power testing, the LED will flash purple and blue for about 15 seconds, signaling that a Vicon Edge recording card has been recognized. Finally, the LED will flash green for approximately 15 seconds, confirming a successful installation. Use the T8 security Torx wrench to tighten the lock screws. Please do not over-tighten. Congratulations! Your NEXT camera sensor system is now installed. Please scan this QR code to access the full installation guide for more details. Thank you for choosing Vicon, your trusted security partner.